Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today unboxing some used watch straps. A member of the Discord group was selling some straps, and I was interested in checking some out, so I bought them. I'll leave a link in the description to the Discord group. You're welcome to join. It's a good group of guys there, always buying and selling stuff with each other. So yeah, check it out. It's free. You don't have to pay for it or anything like that. Just a nice small group of folks all interested in watches. All right, so I don't even totally remember what all I bought, so let's check it out. I think this one is Horween leather. I wanted to check out some Horween leather straps, so I just figured I would buy some to check them out. I have to go back and look and see what exactly all I bought. So yeah, looking forward to playing around with some of these straps. Every once in a while I'll do some strap videos where I put different straps on watches. So this looks like a tan or a green color. Yeah, these were the ones that really caught my eye because I have some Damasco watches, and he was selling the Damasco straps with a bunch of other straps. So this was the main reason why I bought the straps. So I want to try this on some of my Damasco. Actually, I still need to put these away. I took these off to put the Strap Seeker straps on. My two other Damasco watches. So I need to put these in a bag so I don't lose them. Anyway, still sitting on the tabletop here. A little bit different of a buckle on this one. Worn and wound. Looks like another rubber strap. Tropic. Yeah, these I wanted to check out too. These are ostrich skin straps, so that is cool. I'm trying to get, I'd like to get into straps a little bit more, see what all else is out there. So let me know if you guys have ever purchased a group of straps like this before. So yeah, looking forward to playing around with these straps on some watches, maybe in a future video here. I haven't done a strap video in a while, so I need to get back into doing that. So anyway, just a quick unboxing of some, random straps, I guess you could say. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.